What is a payday loan? A payday loan is basically a type of short-term borrowing where an individual borrows a small amount at a very high rate of interest. The borrower usually writes a post-dated check and the amount they wish to borrow for cash. Payday loans are quick and convenient where you can apply online, requires no credit check, and could improve credit scores. On the other hand, payday loans are limited to $1,000, and fees could reach up to $15 for every $100 borrowed. Loans also need to be repaid immediately. Are you thinking of getting a payday loan? Before you do, check out Sean. Sean is a college student who works part-time. He recently went on spring break and had a great time with his peers. Now that he is back into his normal routine, he is unable to pay his bills.
I need money now.
Sean knows that Cash Advance America is right around the corner from his home and accessible online. Very convenient. Sean also decides to research paydaymax.com online as a second source. Let's explore these options. If Sean chooses Cash Advance America, he may walk there, a mere 5 minutes of his time. At Cash Advance America, Sean will have to wait 15 minutes in a line, fill out a form, and present personal documentation like a driver's license, another form of ID, a bank statement, paycheck stub, and social security number. At paydaymax.com, it will take Sean about 15 to 25 minutes to fill out an application where he will need the same information and a bank routing number. At Cash Advance, Sean will borrow $500 for 14 days with an in-store repayment fee of $55 at close to 300% APR. This means that when he repays his loan, Sean will be repaying $555. At paydaymax.com, Sean will borrow the same $500 for 14 days with a repayment fee of $118.30. Sean will have to repay $618.30. Obvious choice for Sean would be to borrow $500 from Cash Advance, where he will only repay $555 versus repaying $618.30 from paydaymax.com. But let's also assume that after the 14-day term, Sean is still short on cash and unable to settle his debt. What does he do? Cash Advance America will work with Sean to establish payment arrangements, and he will not be reported to credit agencies. If Sean still cannot repay his debts, further actions will be taken at the discretion of a Cash Advance America employee. So does Sean really accomplish solving his debt by getting a payday loan? If Sean gets paid in excess of $555 his next paycheck, his debt will be cleared, just as long as he has no further bills to pay. However, if he does have more bills, he will get another loan and the cycle continues. The lesson to be learned here: don't be Sean. Spend only what you earn. Never overconsume.